Hi everyone, it's Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun beading tutorial for you. This one's going to be really simple, but before I get started, just a quick reminder as always to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. Today's tutorial is going to be a really simple one. I'm going to show you how to make these really easy and easily customizable hoop earrings made on memory wire with Toho Treasure beads. And obviously you can use any beads you like, but I just really like this effect of this like smooth large hoop. Okay, what you're going to need, obviously memory wire, some ear wire or earring posts if you prefer, some pliers, and I have cutting pliers for the memory wire. I have round nose pliers to make the loops, and I have some chain nose pliers to later reposition the loops to the position that I want them in. Obviously, you're also going to need Toho Treasure beads, and here I have 5 lovely colors that I think make a really cute color scheme. Okay, let's start. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my memory wire and the round nose pliers, and I'm going to make a loop going outwards. It's going to be quite a large loop because it's going to be more convenient to wear this way, and I'm going to start it going upwards so that it's positioned like this. Now I'm taking the cutting pliers and I'm measuring more or less. I want it to overlap with that other end so that when I make a loop, it ends up more or less in the same spot as this one. So I would say maybe this much, or even a little less. Okay, so that's the overlap. And now all you need to do basically is to put your beads on the wire. In here I made this kind of a little bit of a pattern where I put 3 light pink, gold, 3 light pink, and then this kind of little sequence of purple, orchid, I believe this is the color, gold, teal, gold, pink, purple, 3 light pinks, and so on and so forth. So basically, that's how you do it. You can pick up the beads and then just put it on your wire. Or you can pick up beads directly while holding the wire, just like so. So this is what I'm going to be doing. And see you when I've finished putting all the beads and filling up all of this loop with the beads. Okay, once you've reached more or less this point where I can already make a little loop out of this part, you just take pliers and make another loop on this side again, facing up. So I'm taking my pliers and making a little loop. One thing you should make sure of is that the loop is quite finished, because if you leave it like this, the beads will just come right up it. So what I do is I just tighten it up more so that it's exactly like this. Okay, this is where I take my chain nose pliers or any flat nose pliers that you have. And what I'm going to do, because if we leave it like this, we can already attach the ear wire, but look at how it's going to hang. It's going to want to be like facing the front of your ear. Am I saying this correctly? It's going to want to be in the same direction as your face. So You want it to lie next to your face so that it's more comfortable, obviously. So we will need, at least for this ear wire, we will need to turn these two loops. So I'm just taking this one, I'm just turning it so that it faces one way. As you can see, there's a little bit of a gap that has created here, so I just finish this loop so that there's no gap. And I do the same with the other loop. I just hold it and twist it. Now, as you can see, the beads are starting to come up this one, so let me just, I mean, this is not a big problem, but you're going to have gaps throughout the pattern on the earrings, so okay, that should be all right. Now let's deal with the second one. All right, that should do it. So now the loops are next to each other. So all I need to do is open up the loop on the ear wire and put it through. And close it, obviously. Right, so now when it's hanging like in your ear, this is going to be more or less going in the same direction as your face, if you know what I mean. So the hoop will be like next to your cheek, and it's not going to try to stand up all the time, making it uncomfortable. Alright guys, that's it for these earrings. I don't know about you, but I could wear hoops every day of my life. These are quick, these are easy, and highly customizable. You can use any of the beads you like. All of the materials and beads that I used today are available from eurekacrystalbeads.com. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!